The role of food supplements. As I earlier told you, this program is sponsored by Restore Life. What does Restore Life do in your body? What does it do? And other supplements. Actually, there is a study that was done, and Dr. Walter Wilt says, is the chairman of the Department of Nutrition at Harvard School of Public Health. He said that a recommendation for dietary supplement should be included as part of a healthy diet. We need to supplement. Yes, greetings to you. Hopefully you're doing very well. I want to welcome you to HBMS TV Talking Health, powered by Home-Based Medical Services International, and also powered by the Visionaries International. Every Tuesday we have these topical discussions, and this Tuesday we talked about cancer, and this program is repeated every Friday evening to make sure that whoever missed our session on Tuesday can always have a recap. So basically today we are going to be discussing about cancers and tumors, and that is our topic for tonight. So basically, before I get into today's discussion, I want to send greetings to all our sponsors. That is Mityana Institute of Nursing and Midwifery. Thank you very much. I also want to send greetings to Nasona Community Nursing Home that is in Mityana. Thank you for the great work you're doing. More importantly, I also want to send greetings to Masaka Home-Based Medical Services International, and then also send greetings to the Visionaries team. Thank you very much for making sure that we keep learning. So our topic of discussion today is cancers and tumors. Don't forget to subscribe, you who is out there. In case there is anything that you need to know more about your health, you just need to subscribe to HBMS TV, such that you can always keep logged in. Every time we put something, you're the first person. You can actually subscribe, but more importantly, also click the bell for all notifications to make sure that you're the first person to know what we share with you. In the comment section, you can keep your questions coming. We will be answering them. So when we talk about cancers and tumors, today's objectives are very simple. We want to know what is cancer, the definition, difference between tumors and cancers, then types, then the problem statement, then the causes, prevention, and the testimonies. We will have a few of them. So basically, who is following us at HBMS TV? What is a cancer? This is a mass of tissue that is formed by normal cells with uncontrolled growth, but occurs in every part of the body, like the blood, like the brain, liver, prostate, and it is normally hard to remove from the body. That is to do with cancer. Then when we talk about tumors, this is a mass of a tissue that is formed by abnormal cells with uncontrolled growth, but only in solid tissues, like in bones and muscles, and can be removed from the body. So basically, when you want to look at the difference here, you can see the tumor and then the cancer. A tumor is just a swelling. We are going to be seeing the difference between the two. So basically, when we talk about the differences, when you look at tumors, it shows a swelling. And then cancers, they may not show a swelling. Then the other one may not be painful, but the cancers always, they're painful. Then it occurs that tumors occur in solid organs. Those ones occur anywhere in the body, and the tumors can be removed from the body, but cancers, it is very hard to remove them from the body. And more importantly, that you need also to know is that tumors may or may not spread to near organs, but cancer can spread throughout the body. So that is about the cancer and tumor differences. So when we talk about the types of cancers, you can talk about the ring cancer, melanoma cancer, lung cancers, stomach cancers, bone cancer, ovarian cancer, brain cancer, breast cancer. There are very many. Just know that each and every part of the body that you have can get cancer. So when we talk about the problem statement or the indication, it is common that basically these days the cancers that happen in the lung cancer, talk about breast cancer in number 2, male genital cancer, colorectal cancer, female genital. Those are the top 5. But all the other body parts also can get cancer. And what causes tumors and cancers? These are some of them. It is not only limited to this, but these are some of the causes. For example, lack of physical activity can result into cancers. Then talk about sexually transmitted Infections, you can talk about HPV, that is a virus that results into cervical cancers. Then infection by hepatitis or other viruses, unhealthy diet with low fruit and vegetable intake, being overweight or obese, then tobacco use, ionizing or even ultraviolet radiation, talk about urban air pollution, indoor smoke and broken down oxygen, e.g. from the AC, then foods with artificial sweeteners and food colors. They usually contain nitrate, which causes abnormal division of cells. These are some of them. Then there are other things that we take for granted, but they also cause cancer. And you need to know that cancer is the second leading cause of death in the world, second to heart diseases. It's only that some of us do not do postmortem. The moment one passes on, we go and bury. But these are some of the things that we take for granted. Most of them you look at the way they make them. Some of them you look at their way of processing and all that. You can talk about family planning, talk about eating posho, eating groundnuts, using plastics, using phones, the radiations, earrings, fried things, sun radiation, air conditions, steel wire for washing utensils. All these things, we take them for granted. But more importantly, HBMS TV is here to help you live a healthier life. And the most important thing is the prevention of both the tumors and cancers. What you need to do not use tobacco if you can. Then eat a healthy diet, maintain a healthy weight, and be physically active. Protect yourself from the sun. Get regular medical checkups. Remove waste from the body. Take fruits and vegetables, reduce application of chemicals on your body. And more important, you also need to look at personal care, have self-awareness about different conditions. And that is why HBMS TV was started to help you understand how you can live a healthier life. Then the other, make a decision to prevent, treat cancers in case of any in the family. Do medical checkups, endeavor to supplement your diet, eat what you know the chemical content, minimize the application of chemicals on your body, especially with a thin skin layer. You need to know what you put on your body. The big question is, what is the role of nutrition in cancer? You need to know that healthy eating habits are important during and after cancer treatment. A diet with a focus on plant-based foods along with regular exercises will also help cancer patients, one, to keep a healthy body weight, maintain strength, and also decrease the side effects of both during and after the treatment of cancer. So basically, we have foods to take to prevent both tumors and cancers. And here you look at the 20 cancer-fighting foods. You can talk about garlic, talk about cabbages, talk about broccoli, talk about curry, talk about tomatoes, talk about chili pepper, avocados, oranges, lemon. All these things are made in a way that once you use them in your body, you're going to have a healthy body and you can also fight cancers. I'm sure most of us see these things in supermarkets and we just bypass them. We run for only processed things. These are very vital. So it is upon this that you need also to know the role of food supplements in the cancer prevention and management. You need to know that the dietary supplementation with antioxidants provide a safe and effective means of enhancing the response to chemotherapy and improving quality of life by reducing and preventing the side effects of chemotherapy. Furthermore, they go ahead to boost the immune system, balance the body's pH, detoxify the body, formation of normal body cells, formation of normal blood cells, formation of normal body organs, regulate mineral absorption. Then they also supply adequate nutrients to the body. They cleanse the body, prevent oxidation, but more important, they even control blood sugars. So basically, which supplements you is out there and you're following us alongside the treatment you're on, even for both prevention, even for both treatment and management, alongside the treatment that you're on. These are the supplements that you need to use alongside the treatment you're on. C24/7 should be part of you because of its ingredients that are in. For prevention, you can always do 1 times 2, or you can even take 2 times 1 to prevent the pill burden. But all you need to know, these are natural supplements. So if you're already a victim, you can always do 1 times 1 first week, 1 times 2 second week, 1 times 3 third week. On C24/7, you add on Restore Life 1 times 1 for 3 months. Then sugar free, which is a leaven alkaline coffee with a natural sweetener. You can always do 1 times 3. You need to note that if the patient is so weak, you can start them on complete to make the body used to the supplements. But more importantly, what is the doctor's advice on tumors and cancers? 1, you need to know that cancer kills. Cancer has no cure. cancers and tumors are difficult and expensive to manage. But all in all, you need to know that prevention is better than cure. So HBMS TV is here to guide you. Somebody who could have shared with you this link, make sure you turn to them to guide you more on how you can help cancer patients. And then for testimonies, you just need to keep on our channel, that is HBMS TV on YouTube. Subscribe, click the bell such that you can always get notifications about our wonderful sharings about health. Thank you very much, and may God bless you. Have a great night. HBMS TV, talking health.